Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate 9-in-1 pressure cooker that will revolutionize your kitchen. Imagine decluttering your counters with one appliance that pressure cooks, slow cooks, steams, sautés, and even makes yogurt. Its 15 customizable programs mean perfect results every time, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef wanting quick meals and easy weeknight dinners. And forget about non-stick worries. The durable stainless steel inner pot is healthy, easy to clean, and built to last for years. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its incredible versatility. It's like having multiple kitchen helpers in one sleek, modern device, saving you time and effort. Ready to upgrade your cooking? Find the best deals and grab yours via the Amazon link in the description below. If you're looking to save time, eat healthier, or simply simplify meal prep, this is the smart kitchen investment you've been waiting for. It's not just a pressure cooker. It's an all-in-one culinary powerhouse designed for the modern home, truly making it the best kitchen gadget for 2025. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking experience. Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus today.